USD really embraces the whole academic experience.
Once I came into the biochemistry program, I got an opportunity right away to perform research on campus.
The PCM went well.
In the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry, we require 100 hours of research for all of our undergraduates. And so they learn unique critical thinking skills that they wouldn't get otherwise in a traditional lab setting.
The film looks saturated.
Pretty much all of the faculty in our department are active in their own specific research projects. And we all involve undergraduates in that. So students have a number of research opportunities.
One of my professors' doctoral research was on the subject of the leopard sharks that come around La Jolla. I really wanted to be a part of that, and so he allowed me to do research with him. It was a really great experience, be able to work around the boat and work around marine life, and getting to learn a lot more about leopard shark as a species as well.
This particular project brought together pieces of the puzzle that were important for a liberal arts school. What does it mean to look at unsolved math problems and try to make it into a physical thing, to use your mind and your hands?
It's like an integration between engineering and art, and then it also has a theology component. I've kind of gotten to do every little thing in this project, from wiring to building to manufacturing to brainstorming. It's definitely been a huge learning experience.
Our goal of the solar panel charging stations for the electric scooters is to decrease the clutter. You can't go a day around San Diego without running into one of these things on the sidewalk. So our goal is to do that in a green, sustainable way. This is an entrepreneurship project, and my coworker Sabrina and I were really working hard to create this as a business.
I'm actually working with Dr. Jessica Bell, and she's looking at a protein in the immune system that's related to fighting off viruses. We're trying to figure out exactly how its structure shapes its function. We're constantly being challenged to learn new methods. I really discovered my passion for scientific research, and I haven't looked back since.